Tax season. Today on the Thinking People's channel, we're cutting through the noise to show you how to maximize your tax refund with smart, effective strategies, and a few legal tips and tricks you may not know about. First things first, we need to talk about organization. Gather your W-2S, 1099-S, investment summaries, and those receipts you've been shoving in drawers. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Remember, in the eyes of the IRS, a properly documented home office setup is basically a tax deduction piñata. Now, let's talk about deductions and credits, the Batman and Robin of lowering your tax bill. Deductions make your taxable income disappear, and credits are like straight-up discounts on what you owe Uncle Sam. First up, we have the Lifetime Learning Credit, offering up to $2,000 for those pursuing higher education. And for those who've been putting in the work, the Earned Income Tax Credit could mean thousands back in your pocket. These aren't just random numbers. They're your hard-earned dollars coming back to you. The standard deduction is like the default setting on your tax return, easy and straightforward. But then there's itemizing, the tax equivalent of digging through your couch cushions for spare change. If you've got a mortgage, medical bills, or property taxes, itemizing might be your golden ticket. We all know the dreaded tax deadline, April 15th, but there's a loophole in the space-time continuum called tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and HSAs. Contributing to these accounts can reduce your taxable income and secure your financial future. Retirement contributions aren't just about securing your golden years, they're about saving money on taxes right now. For 2023, you can squirrel away up to $22,500 in your 401k or $6,500 in an IRA. That's a significant chunk of change you can deduct from your taxable income. Now let's talk about legal tax loopholes. These are perfectly legal strategies that savvy taxpayers use to their advantage. We'll explore deductions you never knew existed, credits that sound too good to be true, and strategies that'll make you feel like you've outsmarted the system. So you filed your taxes and now you're staring at a nice, fat refund check. What if I told you that you could use that refund to lower your tax bill next year? By applying it to your next year's taxes, you're essentially prepaying your taxes and reducing your taxable income for the current year. In this day and age, everyone's got a side hustle. Starting a side hustle doesn't just pad your bank account. It also unlocks a treasure trove of tax deductions. Mileage, supplies, and other expenses related to your side hustle are all deductible. Investing in your education isn't just good for your brain, it's good for your wallet too. Education expenses could qualify you for some sweet, sweet tax credits. Because in the game of taxes, knowledge is power, and a well-placed tax credit is a beautiful thing. So you've followed all my advice and emerged victorious with a hefty refund check in hand. Use that refund to build a brighter financial future by paying off high-interest debt, contributing to an HSA or IRA, or investing in tax-advantaged accounts. These moves not only reduce your taxable income, but also set you up for long-term financial success. Tax planning doesn't have to be overwhelming. By staying organized, using these legal strategies, and thinking ahead, you can take control of tax season. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with someone who's ready to master their taxes.